Hey everyone, it's me, Jonathan. Just thought to film real quick. I'm about ready to head out, but just wanted to show you one of the bags I have real quick, and then I'll insert a little video of my little outfit of today. I can just describe real quick what I'm wearing. So I just have like this Levi's jacket. I think I showed you guys in my video about the PacSun cat shirt. And then I just have like a pair of like corduroy black pants that I thrifted. And then I have my Valentino slides on with like socks. And then I will show you my bag, but I will stop and then like turn this video, turn the camera around. So yeah, I will do that real quick and just show you my bag. Hey again. So this bag that I'm using now is going to be different than the one that you see in the video of me just like walking around, I guess. But the one I was walking around, that's the Coach Bandit. And then this one, I can't remember the actual name on this one. But really fun fact for everyone, I think this retails for like $195. I got this one for like $45 at Macy's. I'm just throwing that out there. Usually I don't buy Coach or like really like bags from like Nordstrom or Macy's, but I saw this and it was such a good deal I couldn't pass it up. Usually I just get stuff from the actual Coach website or the Coach store. But this was such a good price I couldn't pass it up. So here she is. And then I probably will get like an extender for it just so I can wear it like crossbody and stuff. But this reminds me kind of like this swinger, I guess you could say. But let's see what I have. I just have my Gucci wallet, and then I have some Tic Tacs, I believe. And then I would have my keys in here that I can fit, and that's pretty much it. Maybe because it's still kind of new, I can't really fit like a whole ton because I'm just worried about obviously like the zipper and stuff. Usually with all my bags, I don't necessarily always like pack it like super full unless it's like my large Coach row, then usually I'll stuff that kind of full, to be honest. But other than that, if it's like a smaller bag, then usually I don't, just because I am worried about like the zipper. But I'm going out right now, so maybe I'll do film again. If not, hope you guys enjoyed this very short video. I just thought I'd film a little something. Anyways, take care. Bye. Everyone, it's me, Jonathan. So I have something special to show you guys. So I don't know, you probably are familiar with Jellycat, but I've already seen them and looked at them, but they are absolutely adorable, and I thought I would just show you guys, because I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I absolutely love them. I got three here to show you. So this first one I absolutely love. So this is the puffer fish, which which is super cute. And this one is named Pasty. And I just love the look on the face. It's so funny. Like, I can't. It's so cute. Love it. So there's that one. And then the next one right here. This one is so cute too. Look at that. It's like the dumb, ugly, cute kind of thing going for it. But I can't. And this is Alexis. So cute though. Oh. Like, I mean, come on. Look at, oh my gosh. It is so cute. And then the last one is this guy right here. And this one's name is Gracie, the groper fish, obviously. But look, I mean, like, come on. So stinking cute. I can't. Absolutely love them. So I just thought I would share that real quick with you guys because I just got them, and I've just been loving Jellycat recently for sure. I have tons of Squishmallows, and now I'm suddenly going from Squishmallow to Jellycat, and I really just only heard about Jellycat maybe like a year ago, so I'm a little late on the bandwagon, but I don't know. There's something about them that just, they're so cute, and I just love them. And then I just have this right here. I know I kind of already showed you, but I think maybe in better lighting. This is it is like a more of the cross grain leather, which is pretty cool. And then the strap right here. Like I said before, I do want to get maybe like a strap extender so I can wear it crossbody. But it's very cool. I like it a lot. And then I got super cheap, as I told you guys before, which has been really cool. And then let me see if I can show you the inside. Well, maybe not. It's kind of dark. But my wallet that I love because it has a snake on it. If you sense this theme at all, I like animals. I think they're fun. But yeah, it's hard to see. But there's like a compartment in here, and then there's like the little patch, and then the compartment is has like the CC logo and like the monogram and like I want to say it's like, it looks like a brown color, but I think this is super easy. Kind of reminds me of the Swinger 20, like I said before, just a quick little out the door kind of bag. Not wanting to, carry a lot of stuff, but lightweight and everything. So really like it. I'm glad that I waited just because I was able to get it on sale. But if you didn't, I mean, I think that's totally fine. I don't think that it's not worth the price, if that makes sense. But yeah, super cute. Well, anyways, it's pretty late, so I hope that you guys have a good night. And I'll probably insert some videos at some point of like, I went to Seattle, so I might insert those clips too. But yeah, anyways, have a good night, and hope the rest of your guys' week goes well. Bye.